Welcome to Major Dom's 17th Deepin workshop. Today we will interacting with Rackflow as well as the Moonchain API, and we will use this knowledge to create our own AI doctor. You can find this tutorial in the Moonchain docs and the testnet tutorials. Build your own AI doctor using Moonchain, Rackflow, and Wi-Fi. Before I want to go on with this topic, I need to introduce you about some changes which have been done on the Rackflow demo, the online version of Rackflow, because they use a new version there. The workshop for the LLM reporter won't work in the way anymore like I showed it in the video, because the Rackflow demo, I can show it to you actually, won't provide an API key for the assistant anymore. You can see it here. Normally, if you click here and would click here, we would be able to get the API key and the URL for the API call. But sadly, like I said, because they changed it, I wasn't able to use it in the German workshop on last Friday. So I had to figure out and make it possible to run it locally. For this, I started to take the approach of using the WSL on Windows 11. I would not want you to do it this way, because it took me around 2 days and I'm still not fully figured out what was the problem when it came to CPU usage, memory usage, and indeed how to get the connection. We decided to use VirtualBox instead to run the Docker container. The Docker container you can find here in this repository. I also provided it here in the tutorial description itself. I also need to tell you it would be impossible to change the .environment file. I can show it to you how it's done actually. I hope I can do it a little bit bigger. Yes, it's working. So we will open a new tab, which is small again, sadly. So Rackflow, Docker, and here we have the .env file. And here in the beginning, when you open the file, it would be, or it will be like this, only showing slim, or I just see that I didn't recommend it, but it worked like it was intended. I think it's because, yeah, the other image just overridden the previous, and because of this, the version 11 was installed. I've written in the tutorial that you should use version 12. Actually, version 11 and 12 both worked like I tested it now. Version 10 didn't work like I wanted to use it, and the latest version also didn't work like I wanted to use it. Additionally, you would need to create your own Gemini key, because Gemini would be the API which we will use. This you can do by using this link, but I also want to explain you that you need to have a Google account to use it. I won't do the whole preparation in the workshop today, but I think I explained everything pretty much here in the tutorial, so everyone should be able to follow. And if not, please leave some comments or question under the video, or also in the Moonchain Major Dom channel. So under the video, there should be the link to the Moonchain channel, and in the Moonchain channel, we have an own Major Dom channel. You can ask there